I'm Mandy. Welcome to Soup Recipes. Today we're making the most famous vegetable dish in China, San Xian, also known as Three Treasures from the Ground. It is a classic northern Chinese dish made with crispy potatoes, tender eggplants, and fresh peppers, tossed in a luscious sauce. It is delicious that if you don't like vegetables, you may change your mind after this dish. So let's get started. Peel the potatoes and use the roll cutting technique to cut them into chunks. I'm using russet potatoes, but other kinds will also work. Add it into a pot along with a few cups of water. Turn the heat to medium and cook the potatoes for about 10 minutes. While waiting, we can prepare the rest of the ingredients. Cut a few green chilies into triangles. This is medium hot. You can use bell pepper if you don't eat spicy food. I also used a third of a red bell pepper to add a vibrant color. Besides that, you will need 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of white parts of the scallions. Next, let's make the stir-fry sauce. You will need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1½ tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and some white pepper to taste. Stir well and set it aside. Mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 3/4 cups of water and set it aside. Now, let's check back the potatoes. They should be halfway cooked, so when you poke it with a fork, you will feel a bit resistance. That is the doneness that we want. Fish the potatoes out and coat them with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Toss them thoroughly. Potatoes contains a lot of starch already. Some people may wonder, why add more? The starch creates a crispy porous structure, which helps the sauce to cling onto the surface. That's why this dish is so delicious. Next, we're going to deep fry it. Restaurants will use a full wok of oil. However, shallow fry is much friendly for home cooking because it saves oil and the end result is just as tasty. Bring the oil to 360 degrees Fahrenheit and add the potatoes. Don't stir right away. Just wait until you see some golden color. Flip the pieces and fry the other side. Each side takes about a minute. Okay, they are done. Fish them out and set them aside. I like to prepare the eggplant the last so it doesn't sit in the air for too long. Otherwise, the cut surface will oxidate and turn brown. Use the roll cutting technique to cut the eggplant into chunks. The sides should be a little bit bigger than the potato because it shrinks after cooking. This is Chinese long eggplant. Its skin is more tender, so I don't peel it. If you are using the globe eggplant, you may want to peel the skin for better texture. Spray a bit of water to get the surface moist. Then sprinkle 3 tablespoons of cornstarch in batches and toss thoroughly. Same reason, it creates a porous surface and helps the sauce to wrap around the eggplant. We are going to increase the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit and add the eggplant with the skin side down. That is how you retain the purple color. Also, eggplant has a spongy texture. If you fry it at a low temperature, it will absorb a lot more grease. You may need to fry the eggplant in 2 batches. Each batch only needs a minute or 2. Set the eggplant aside. Last, toss in the green and red pepper. Stir them for 10 seconds and fish everything out. Pour most of the oil out of the wok. You can reuse that for future meals. I left about 1½ tablespoon of oil in the wok. We will use that to saute the garlic and the white parts of the scallions. Once fragrant, add the sauce. Stir for a minute or until the sauce is lightly condensed. Pour in the cornstarch water. Don't forget to rinse the sauce bowl so you don't waste any flavor. Keep stirring until the sauce is thickened. Introduce the potato, eggplant, and pepper back to the wok. Mix until the sauce coats everything. And you are done. This dish is popular all over China because the ingredients are widely available in any market. Look at the eggplant. It is so tender and flavorful. My mama will cook extra rice whenever she makes this dish because the sauce really increases your appetite. And I can easily indulge in a couple bowls of rice. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!